welcome to Growing Chit Chat. You are not alone. My name is Yuhan. I'm from Taiwan and now living in Sydney. As I mentioned in the last few episodes, I have launched my business, Glow As You Are. I'm the energy healer, channeling beautiful energy from the universe, including Ashati energy, Reiki energy, Alzheimer energy, Seikim energy. I'm also learning more and more different kind of beautiful energy so that I can share with all you guys. Today, I'm going to offer you the energy healing video for your food. Energy healing can not only heal ourselves, animal, plants, it can also heal our food. By offering this beautiful energy for your food before you have them, it helps removing the unnecessary energy in the food. For example, the emotion for the people who handle the food or in the farm or during the whole process supply chain line. Enjoy this energy. Now I'm going to do it for you. I call all the energy that I have access to heal the food in front of this video. Alzheimer healing. Heal the food in front of this video. For people who have this food, I hope them can enjoy the food and have their food for their highest good. Now, you are ready to have your delicious food. Leave a comment below if you found this helpful. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!